stop. If you're thinking about buying Chat 5.5 AI Max, there's something you need to know first. Because this tool claims to give you $200 month AI power. And honestly, that sounds either insane or a complete scam. So I tested it myself, and what I found might actually surprise you. Before I show you everything, if you decide to get this, make sure you use the link in my description, because I've added exclusive bonuses worth over 5,000 plus. And trust me, these bonuses are what actually make this a money-making system. What is Chat 5.5 AI Max? It's basically an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to 72 plus premium AI models, including things like GPT-5.5 Pro, Sora 2, video generation, AI image creators, audio generators, and website builders, all inside one dashboard. Instead of paying for multiple tools, this claims to replace everything with a one-time fee. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why people are jumping on this. No monthly subscriptions, unlimited usage, create videos, websites, apps, content, commercial license included, works on phone or laptop. And the biggest benefit? You can literally create and sell digital assets without hiring freelancers or learning complex skills. Inside the dashboard, you're getting AI that writes content, books, scripts, that builds websites and funnels, AI that creates videos and images, AI that generates music and voiceovers, AI that writes code and apps, plus 30 terabyte storage, cloud-based system, and no installation needed. Basically, you type what you want, and the AI builds it for you in seconds. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Here's the honest breakdown. Pros: all-in-one system, beginner-friendly, extremely cheap for what it claims, commercial license included, and saves tons of time. Cons: sounds too good to be true, so test carefully. Quality depends on your prompts and might not fully replace all premium tools. So don't expect magic, but the potential is definitely there. Results. What to expect. You can create faceless YouTube videos, build affiliate websites, sell AI-generated services, and automate content creation. Some users claim daily earnings. But realistically, this is a tool. Your results depend on how you use it. Now here's where things get crazy. If you grab Chat 5.5 AI Max through my link, you unlock these bonuses. Bonus 1, 100 plus premium paid AIs included. You're getting access to tools like Google AI Ultra, Midjourney, Dolly, Claude, Copilot, and Perplexity, worth over $450 a month or $5,000 plus yearly, all bundled inside one platform. Bonus 2, YouTube Premium, no ads. Yes, you also get ad-free YouTube lifetime access. This alone saves you money long-term. Combined value is insane. Free with purchase through my link. So, is Chat 5.5 AI Max worth it? If you want access to multiple AI tools, one-time payment instead of subscriptions, a beginner-friendly system, then yes, it's definitely worth trying, especially with the 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, lock in your access, and grab all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.